How to change Apple ID password if you forget it. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Scotty Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can change your Apple ID password without phone number and other verification method. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, it's not to change your Apple ID password. Simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone, and from the settings, just go ahead and tap on the Apple ID at the very top. Now once you're here inside your Apple ID, go ahead and tap on sign in and security, the second option. And once you select that, this will take a little time and this will get into your information. And from here, if you scroll down a little bit, under the security, you'll get to see the option change password. You can tap on change password, and this will immediately get into this interface and ask you to enter your iPhone passcode. So you just need to enter your iPhone passcode here, and once you do that, this will take a little time and this is going to quickly give you the option to set a new password. So just go ahead and enter a new password twice. And once you have entered your new password twice, go and tap on continue from here, and this will take a little time and your account password will be changed. And this is how easily you can change your Apple ID password without any verification method. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.